Hi everyone, I'm Michael from Spartakus Technologies. Let's explore how our Spartakus APM platform can help you integrate and optimize your maintenance plan. Spartakus APM operates on a simple three-step workflow. First, define your maintenance plan. Second, execute and manage your PM and PDM programs within Spartakus. Third, gain a comprehensive view of your asset health and analytics to make timely corrective actions. Having a robust and optimized PM program is crucial for efficient and reliable plant operations. Our preventive maintenance optimization tool, PMO, is designed to help you optimize your maintenance plan quickly and effectively. The PMO process strikes the perfect balance between work efficiency and results, requiring less effort than other optimization processes like reliability-centered maintenance, technically called RCB, or failure mode and effects analysis, often named FMEA, while delivering similar outcomes. With our tool, you can conduct a fast optimization process, making it the quickest way to enhance your asset strategies. Utilize a predefined component library with over 250 components, complete with optimized tasks that you can customize to your needs. Perform before and after PMO analysis to measure the impact of your optimization efforts. Our customers particularly appreciate the optimization summary feature, which quantifies the added value of your PMO efforts and tracks your progress with key performance indicators, such as risk reduction, labor time savings, and reduced equipment downtime. Spartakus offers a comprehensive solution for optimizing your asset strategy, saving time, and improving the relevance of your maintenance tasks for better, more efficient reliability. If you're ready to take the next step with your asset strategy, let's connect and see the impact Spartakus can have for you today.